Discover Hirose's GT50 Series, a compact wire-to-board connector designed to withstand heat and vibration, perfectly tailored for demanding automotive and robotic internal connections. Uniquely designed to be both small in size and high in reliability, the GT50 Series connector outperforms competitors who fall short in delivering this invaluable combination. The unique benefits of this series include space savings and lightweight elements contribute to efficient, streamlined designs, high heat resistance, enduring temperatures up to 125 degrees Celsius for superior performance in demanding environments, a unique stabilizer to minimize contact wear and maximize vibration resistance for optimal reliability, and a robust locking connector eliminates accidental disconnects and ensures consistent, dependable operation. From traditional vehicles to advanced robotics and factory automation systems, the GT50 Series stands out in a wide array of automotive applications. Stay ahead of the curve with the GT50 Series connector. For more insights, visit and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Hirose Electric, Connecting the Future.